Hello all, welcome to Krako's video series. Today I am here with 25 important chemistry questions that are helpful for your RRB, SSC and also banking exams. We can expect 1 to 2 questions from chemistry subject. Please don't neglect this subject and study this. You may definitely expect 1 to 2 questions. Before getting into the video, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Let's get into the video. The formula of acetonitrile is C2H3N, that is CH3CN. Acetonitrile is produced mainly as the byproduct of acrylonitrile manufacture. Let's see the second one. Pyrolusite is an ore of. It's an important ore of manganese. It is black amorphous appearing mineral, often with a granular structure. It is black amorphous appearing mineral, often with a granular structure. Let's see the next one. Heat change during combustion of 1 mole of a substance in excess of oxygen is called as, heat of combustion. It's just the definition. Which of the following is used as catalyst in the contact process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid? For the manufacture of sulfuric acid, the catalyst we use is vanadium pentoxide, like sulfur trioxide in presence of vanadium pentoxide gives rise to sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Let's see the next question. When washing soda reacts with hydrochloric acid, which gas is evolved? When washing soda reacts with hydrochloric acid, more amount of carbon dioxide is evolved. Let's see the next question. Which of these solutions is used as a bleaching agent? Hydrogen peroxide is used as a bleaching agent. It is also used as oxidizer and antiseptic agent. Let's see the next question. Which of the following elements is present in all acids? Hydrogen is present in all acids, like according to Bronsted-Lowry theory. Like it is called as Bronsted-Lowry acid-base theory. An acid is any substance that can donate proton and a base is any substance that accepts proton. So hence there is no acid without hydrogen. Like no acid without hydrogen. Acid is donates protons and base is accepts protons. Friends, Krako is providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do Google search Krako SSC previous papers and download these papers for your reference and better practice. Let's see the next question. Solid carbon dioxide is termed as dry ice. It gets its name because it does not melt into the liquid when heated, and instead it changes directly into the gas, which that process is called as sublimation, that is solid to gas, and the formula of dry ice is CO3. Let's see the next one. Which of the following is not a noble gas? I'm going to give you the list of noble gases now. Helium, neon, this is the neon, and third one is argon, krypton, xenon, that is Xe, and sixth one is radon, it is Rn, and the seventh one is oganesson. Og, and its atomic number is 118. These are the noble gases, and so the answer is hydrogen. It is not a noble gas. What is the chemical name of washing soda? The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, and its formula is Na2CO3. This is the most repeated question. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. The percentage of nitrogen in the air is about. The percentage of nitrogen in the air is about 78%. Let's see the next question. Why is compressed natural gas considered as eco-friendly? Let's see why. Compressed natural gas is an eco-friendly alternative to the gasoline. It is made by compressing natural gas, that is butane, down to less than 1% of its volume. Compressing butane down to 1%, down to less than 1% of its volume. And it is non-toxic and doesn't contaminate the groundwater also. Therefore, the answer is it has very low carbon monoxide. Even it is having very less carbon monoxide also. Let us see the next question. Which of the following gases is used in cigarette lighters? Butane is used in cigarette lighters. The formula of butane is C4H10. We'll see why butane is used in cigarette lighters. It is colorless and easily liquefied gas used in gas type lighters and cigarette lighters and also butane torches. It is colorless and liquefied gas. Friends, Cracko is providing SSC CGL mocks. Please do Google search Cracko SSC CGL mocks. We are providing for rupees 199. Please do enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let us see the next question. What is the chemical formula of quartz? The chemical formula of quartz is SiO2. But I would like to explain you something about this quartz. It is an abundant mineral in the Earth's continental crust, and it is made up of the continuous framework of SiO4. Continuous framework of SiO4, and that is silicon oxygen silicon oxygen tetrahedra. Each oxygen atom is shared between two tetrahedra, giving the final formula as SiO2. So therefore, the quartz formula is not SiO4, it is SiO2. Okay, don't get confused between this. Which among the following is not a dissolved materials in domestic sewage? Silt is not a dissolved materials in domestic sewage. Let us see the next question. Which is the gas that is used in air conditioning systems and refrigerators? Freon is the gas that is used in air conditioning systems and refrigerators. Freon is also called as R22. It is a colorless gas. CFCs have been used in refrigerator and air conditioning systems for many years, but in the year 1974, a researcher of the University of California State have been told that CFCs are destroying ozone layer and have been using freon since that time. Which of the following is used to adjust the pH or relieve heat burn in our stomach? Milk of magnesia is used to adjust the pH or relieve heat burn in our stomach. Excess stomach acids causes heat burn, indigestion and stomach ulcers. Milk of magnesia, it is used as antacid, and it works when the hydroxide ions combine with the hydrogen ions in HCl to reduce the excess acidity in the stomach. Let's see the next question. Telonite is a combination of cobalt and what? And dash. Telonite is a combination of cobalt and chromium. When telonite is made, the chromium and molybdenum, like combine chemically with carbon, like these both combine chemically with carbon to form chromium carbide. And molybdenum carbide. That is, like when the manufacture of telluride, chromium and molybdenum combine chemically with carbon, giving rise to chromium carbide and molybdenum carbide. How many groups or columns are present in Mendeleev's periodic table? Like columns are groups and rows are periods. We have 8 groups in Mendeleev's periodic table. Friends, Krakow is providing SSC CHSL mocks for rupees 199. Google search Krakow SSC CHSL mocks so that you can enroll for our mocks which are helpful for your better practice and best score. Krakow.in. You can enroll our mocks in our website. Let's see the next question. Dissolved oxygen in rivers is close to dash parts per million. Dissolved oxygen in rivers is close to 5 parts per million. Like most dissolved oxygen is introduced into the water through aeration, like flowing over the rocks or as a waste product of photosynthesis, and generally considered as dissolved oxygen should be at least 4 to 5 parts per million. It is sufficient. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. It gives rise to salt and water. Like for example, if we are like using HCl plus NaOH, which gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. NaCl is salt and H2O is water. And NaOH is sodium hydroxide and HCl is hydrochloric acid. So this is acid and this is base, and when these both are like reacting, we get salt and water. Which of the following is a colloidal solution? Paint is a colloidal solution. Like in a colloid, particles of one substance are mixed and dispersed with particles of other substance, but they are not dissolved in it. So in paint, the liquid is dispersed into the other liquid to form the binding medium and solvent solution, which is known as carbolic acid. Phenol is known as carbolic acid. It is an aromatic organic compound. Like its formula is C6H5OH, and this molecule consists of phenyl group, that is C6H5. This is the phenyl group, and it is bonded to hydroxy group, further forming C6H5OH, that is called as carbolic acid. Let's see the next question. Acetic acid is another name for which of the following? Acetic acid is another name for vinegar. Acetic acid formula is CH3COOH. It is also called as ethanoic acid. It is the most important carboxylic acid. Let's see the last question. Name the gas that is used in the preparation of bleaching powder. The gas that is used in the preparation of bleaching powder is chlorine. Like bleaching powder is synthesized by the action of chlorine gas on dry slaked lime. Like chlorine gas on dry slaked lime. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notification. For any queries or any suggestions regarding the video, you can tell me through the comment section. And please do make a note of all these questions at a place so that it will be very much helpful for you before your examination for revision. Thank you.